Hello friends, my name is Atul. I am from Side Hustler. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Today we are going to discuss the various steps to apply for a Schengen visa, be it a visa to Italy, Malta or any other European country. You will need to follow this procedure to complete your application via VFS. So first, you will need to discover, what kind of application you are going to file, be it a student visa or a work visa. So once you have decided that, the next step is to begin your application form. For that, you will need to download the Schengen visa application form. Some countries have different formats, but there is a generic format for Schengen visa, and I will include the links in the description for Malta and other work visa categories. So once you have downloaded the application form and filled it, you will need to book an appointment via the nearest VFS center. If I am from Kerala, so obviously my choice will be Cochin. So there are centers in Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and so on. So choose your closest VFS center and book your appointment and pay the application fees. So once you have booked the application appointment, you will get a date with a fixed time slot. So the fifth step is to visit the VFS visa application center. On that particular date, you will need to go to the VFS center with the fully filled application and all other supporting documents. So once you have submitted all the documents at the VFS center on your appointment date, you will get a receipt with a reference number from VFS. After cross-checking all the documents you have submitted, they will give you a receipt, and that receipt will have a unique tracking number. And the sixth step, once you have submitted the application and got your receipt, they will tell you that you will receive your passport with your visa, any kind of visa which is stamped within 14 working days. Keeping this in mind, okay, 14 working days, which means the application process normally will take up to 30 days, 30 calendar days. So in some cases it may take up to 8 weeks. So please don't please don't please don't worry. Just wait for the application to process at the central visa processing unit. So once you have got the receipt from the VFS will send all your documents, passports, to the New Delhi visa processing center, the Malta embassy. From New Delhi, they will courier all the documents and your passport to Central Visa Processing Unit in Malta, MCDA. MCDA is the location of that unit. So all the visa processing and visa stamping process will be completed at MCDA, Central Malta Visa Processing Unit. So once the visa processing is over, they will stamp the visa and send it back to your local address directly. Okay, if you don't have a nearby courier hub, obviously the normal choice will be Blue Dart or DHL. If you don't have a Blue Dart courier hub near to your area, the passport will be sent to a different area, a closer region where they have a Blue Dart hub. So the seventh step is collect your passport. So once you have couriered the passport, you can track your application with the reference number you got from VFS, and you can collect the passport when you receive a call from the courier. In my case or any other case, it will be Blue Dart. So you will obviously receive a call from Blue Dart, and you will need to go to the Blue Dart courier hub and collect your passport. And they will ask you for the receipt you obtained from VFS, and also an ID proof. Any kind of government approved ID is fine, but you will need to go all by yourself. They will not accept anyone, but there are some instances where Blue Dart will allow your family members, and if the family member is going, they will need to carry a letter of consent signed by you, by the passport holder, and also your ID proof and the the ID proof of the person who will be going to Blue Dart courier hub. So these are the 7 steps during a Schengen visa application process. All this process will be started only after you got your work permit or your student enrollment letter from a corresponding university. So once you got your letter of approval from the college or university, and also the work work permit in case of work visa. You can start this process and complete all your application process without any hassle. I will discuss more about the application fees and the documents you need to carry to the VFS center in detail in the next video. Please stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Again, stay tuned. Bye bye.